Hey guys, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. Finally, it's not a Chevy Silverado. This is a 2016 Ram 2500 with the Cummins. It's on some 20x10s and 35's. Let's go.
Custom Offsets team stands the team on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, so like I said, 2016 Ram 2500, this is the Cummins. What we did was a Southern Truck leveling kit. So if you take a peek in here, you can see this is just a coil spring spacer that sits on top. We finally listened and got a flashlight, as you guys can see. But that's a coil spring spacer, so that gives you about two and a half inches maybe of height there in the front. So you're able to clear this wheel and tire setup. This is the Havok H101 in a 20x10, -24, so you can see it's black with the milled accents and then the rivet style. These are actually kind of cool because they got the still black in the center. Sharp look on there. Let me get you a bill test on her. I actually have some cash for once. So you can see on that 10 wide, you get about 4.5 inch lip. Pretty good out of these Havoks. Havok usually does a good job at getting you a decent size lip on there. For the tires, these are really popular. This is the Nitto Ridge Grappler, so it's a hybrid tire. And this is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. So you can see that 12.5 wide on the 10 wide rim does give you a little bit of bulge and sidewall protection. Really aggressive sidewall on these two, looks super sharp, but you still get the mileage out of it because the tread pattern, isn't so spread apart. It's just a better compound tire. You can also run these on the HD trucks because you can put 80 pounds of pressure in here, no problem, which is what the Ram currently has in it. As far as other stuff on here, got the bushwhacker, fender flares, the pocket styles, and then ionic steps on here also. Fitment issues in the back, obviously there are none. Wheels fit perfectly back there. And if you kind of back up, we'll take a look at the truck overall. So you can see front to back, sits level now. The old wheels and tires are in the back if it looks a little bit squatted, but that would be why. But I think it sits pretty good. Out front, this is the Laramie or Lamry or however you pronounce it package. I'm sure somebody will correct me in the comments. So it's fully decked out in chrome, got the projector headlights, pretty sharp looking truck. Interior wise, pretty fully loaded here. It's got leather, nice screen in the center, a lot of ton of options. It's got the heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats even. Pretty sharp looking truck, power back window, I really love that feature. So that about does it. That's your 2016 Ram 2500 on some 20x10s and 35s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. Peace!